So you great people, I thought I'd take you on a ride, a new blast on the new bike, the VFR 800 VTEC, which I just revealed to you from the same spot, Netherbridge, just like 3-4 days ago. I thought I'd give you a ride along with me. And I'm not breaking no speed limits here, apparently, but judge for yourself, yeah, the speed limit, and I would bring in far more content to you see. Thank you all. Yeah. By the way, on these types of roads in England, we've got one lane coming your way and you're on the other lane, so like 2 lane, single carriageway type thing. The speed limit is 70 miles an hour, which obviously I'm observing you, as you can see. Things are passing by pretty slowly, not breaking those speed limits. By the way, now are just approaching the village of St Giles on Heath, 30 mile limit as you approach, as you've seen by the signs. So I'm just going to proceed down here, just down the road, and then stop by a pub called the Pint and Post. Pull over and cut the camera off. It's just a short little burst along with me from Netherbridge, where we revealed the bike 4 days ago, to St Giles village. I managed to complete this journey rather rapidly. Obviously sticking to the speed limits, obviously I won't break the law. So I really hope you enjoyed this. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell and all the rest. Thank you so much for your support.